Hello champions, this is Talaz, and in this video I'll be taking you through the introduction to Pixellab, how to use Pixellab for designing. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Google Play Store to download the app. Though we have the paid version of the app, but I don't think there is anything the paid version can do that the free version can't do. I use the free version myself. So once you download and install it on your phone, just come to your home screen and tap on the application icon. So once you tap on it, it should bring something like this. This home screen. Let me see, home page of the Pixellab application itself. So this is what it should bring. So now to all the icons here, these three dots here, no, three circles here, all these three circles here. So once you tap on the three circles, this is what it will bring. This is my project, default, and all these templates that you can use. Though the templates on the paid version are quite interesting more than these ones. These ones I don't really think there's any text you can use. The template you can use here. So let's just continue. My project here. If you tap on my project here, if you are just using the Pixellab for the first time, this place will be blank. If you tap on my project, it will be blank. But since I've been using Pixellab for quite a while, and these are the projects I've done on it, so that is it. That is why it's bringing this here. So the next thing, sorry. So the next one after this circle is the capital letter here icon here, and it represents the text. So any text that you want to type on anything that you want to use the Pixellab to design, all the text, these are all the things that you can do on those texts. There's just a text or many texts. So these are the things that you can actually do on them, like the edit, for example. Now if you are whatever you want to type. So for now we'll be using my brand name, yes, Dollars Designs as an example. So here before I tap on the OK here, you see this left hand side, the capital letter T and the small letter T here. It actually represents that if you tap, like you already have your text that you type, but you want to, maybe that text is in lower character. Let's say the text is in the lower case, like they are in small letters before. If you tap on this T here, it will turn it to capital letters. And if it is already in the capital letters, if you tap on the T, it will change everything to small letters. So beside it, we have the delete icon, and then the cancel. You cancel, then it takes you back to the home page. Then the OK, yeah, OK like this. So the OK, normal. This T is supposed to be in capital letter, and the D2 supposed to be in capital letter. So then we tap on OK. This is it. So after the edit, we have the delete icon. So you can delete. So we have the copy. You want to make the replication of the text there, then you tap on the copy. Then this to front, to back, to position, and rest position. You will understand it as time goes on. I can't explain it like this because you will not understand. So when we are working on the flyer in Sharp, when we start working on the flyer, you will get it. So then we have the size here. You want to increase the size or decrease the size. That is it. And then this padding too is not actually necessary. So this color too, the color you want your text to be, maybe purple or black or white, any text, or if it is gradient that you want, it's also there. So we have it here. You can just tap on any color that you want here. So the texture. So this texture is if you want, let me say you want a particular element, or a particular picture to be embedded in your text, then this is what the texture is. For now, like example, now I tap on the dollars, design the text itself, and then I go to texture, then I click on this button here. So when I tap on it, it will take me to my gallery. So I will just import any design, for example, that I have here. Let me see. Maybe I have these calendar here, for example. Then I crop it. Then I tap on the OK. As you can see, it's not even clear. It's not very clear. We'll come back to it later. So let me just delete it and continue. This opacity, I know we already know what opacity is all about. So if you want it to fade, like you want it to fade away, then you reduce it. And you want it to be very clear, you increase it. That is it. This rotate to is what it is used for. You rotate. Then these marks too. You see this mask? It's actually not necessary in text. If you are working on text, that mask is not really necessary on text. But if you are working on shapes, then you can use the mask. So the font here, you tap on it. These are the fonts that are already on the Pixellab application. My own fonts, these are my fonts, the one I downloaded and import on the application. So, and then the recent are the ones that I just finished using on my project. Yes. So let me go back to the text. I'm in the fonts here. So I can actually choose the arm wrestler here. And then we tap on OK. So the B style, this style here. Maybe if the text that you have on your screen is not too bold, or maybe I should say if it is too thin, if you tap on this B, it's going to make it bolder. Yes. And this high italic, then if you tap on it, this is what it will do to your text. And this U that has line under it, if you tap on it, it will give your design, your text lines under it. And this T that is cancelled here, it means you are cancelling everything that you've done here on the text. Maybe you've added the B to make it bolder, you've added the high, and then you've added the U here to underline it. Then if you tap on this T that has this cross line on it, then it will cancel everything. Like if I tap on it now, you see it is back to the normal font that we have already. So this tab, this curve, if you want to curve it here, curve it back here. Then the background is not really necessary. This alignment, if you want to align it to the left, middle alignment and the left alignment. So that is it. This line spacing, if you want to, no, this spacing rather, if you want to give space to your text, as you can see, that is what is it used for. This line spacing, you want to give the colors and the designs, the space between the colors and the design itself, you want to give it a wider or a closer space, then that is what it is used for here, as you can see. So that is it. There's this stroke, if you enable it, this is what it will do to your design. So you can actually change the color, the stroke color, to anyone you like. So that is that. The shadow too, you want to give it the shadow, tap on enable, then the opacity, then the blur radius, the outer glow. Actually, you will later understand everything here as time goes on. So this inner shadow too, but you see all these emboss, perspective, 3D rotate, 3D text, and the rest, they are actually for 3D designs, not just a normal design, like 3D design. So those ones are actually complicated. So